Dear students, this is Dr. Archana Tiwari, Assistant Professor in Business Administration, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Students, today we are going to discuss methods of selling. In order to sell its product, a company may choose one or a combination of different methods, and we are going to discuss all the methods one by one. So in this we can take number one is tender selling. Tender selling is the kind of selling method in which a company advertises to invite prospective buyers to submit their offers of purchase in respect of products intended for sale. The company sells to that buyers whose offer is most profitable and matches the company's expectations in respect of terms and conditions. Alternatively, when the buyers are large and dominating, like in the government market, they may expect the company to submit tenders for the sale of products. In former, the company is an active participant in the transactional process, whereas in the later, it is passive. In India, this method of selling is adopted by companies when selling in the government market. However, in the commercial market, this method is adopted by some companies. For example, कॉटन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री को अगर हम लें तो सेलिंग का यह मेथड यहाँ पर अडॉप्ट करती है, जिसमें कि आप कालीन का एग्जांपल ले सकते हो। कालीन के सेलिंग में ये टेंडर सेलिंग काम में ली जा सकती है। सेकंड मेथड हम लेते हैं सेलिंग एट द डोर स्टेप्स। इस मेथड के अंदर कंपनी का सेल्समैन प्रॉस्पेक्टिव बायर के पास में जाता है और ही एक्सप्लोर्स द पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑफ सेलिंग टू देम। द प्रॉस्पेक्टिव बायर्स इन द केस are usually merchant middlemen participating in the company's distribution channels and industries requiring inputs. These salesmen periodically visits them, show them the product samples, arouse their interest in them, answer questions regarding the products, negotiate transactions within the broad policy framework provided to them, and finally book orders to them. And if we take the example of India, a large number of companies supplying industrial inputs employ such salesmen and adopt this method of selling. थर्ड हम इसका लेते हैं ऑक्शन सेल। यह भी एक सेलिंग का तरीका होता है जिसके अंदर की कंपनी के जो एग्जीक्यूटिव्स होते हैं या सेल्समैन होते हैं या ये दोनों जाकर के और प्रॉस्पेक्टिव बायर के पास में जाते हैं, उनको ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं एट अ सिंगल प्लेस, मे बी द कंपनीज प्रेमिसेस और सम अदर कॉमन प्लेसेस, एंड आस्क देम टू कोट देयर बिड्स after having examined the products offered for sale. Usually the company lays down the minimum acceptable price below which bids are not allowed to be quoted, thereby ensuring a minimum targeted price relationship. Also, prospective buyers are expected to deposit security deposit in order to guard against their backing out from the deal. This method of selling is adopted by tea companies in India in bulk selling of tea. For example, steel mills and textile mills respectively sell their scrap and fans and rags in this way. Fourth one we can take is selling across the table. This is the kind of selling method in which a company's executives or the salesmen negotiate sales transaction across the table by inviting prospective buyers, usually at the company premises. In this method, there is a lot of negotiation about the price and other terms and conditions, and the deal is clinched through the selling acumen of the salesman. And this method is usually adopted when long-term and high-value transactions are to be negotiated between the parties, aiming at establishing a relatively durable supplier-buyer relationship. Like, for example, if we take in the case of a sale of components, consumer durables and industrial inputs. And the last method of selling may be selling across the counter. In selling across the counter, salesmen sell a company's product at the retail shop owned by it. The salesman attends to the buyer visiting the shop, demonstrate the products, participate in the buyer's decision making process so as to make him favorably disposed towards the products, and finally sells him the product. Companies such as the we take the example of Bata, employing direct channel and owning retail outlets, usually employ salesmen to sell its products across the counter. So these were the methods related with the selling